Got a quick training fill on this BMW. Let's get it. Alright, filters right here.
What is really going on? Here, Johnny said, "Kevin, get out of here."
Alright, so it's a little dirty, but it's most likely just a washer. Can't forget the gasket. See this? I got 7 quarts of some Euro. Alright, we're done with this. Alright. This is your main menu. You're going to want to go to vehicle info. It's going to tell you vehicle status, and then right here you're going to get a lot of options. Make sure you go to measure engine oil level. You start measuring it. It's going to measure it for you because these cars don't have dipsticks, so. Alright, perfect. It says my engine oil level is okay. Now I'm just going to check, make sure the drain plug gasket is doing its job. This one over here, we just did sensors. How my boy programmed them. Alright, let's check it out. Now it's clean. No messes. Alright, fellas, thank you guys for watching, and we're done.